Hey, it's Dr. Amanda with StraightSmile Solutions, StraightSmileSolutions.com, and today we're doing an Invisalign unboxing video, what to expect when you do your first case with Invisalign, what you'll get in the mail, and it's always changed, so this is actually the first time I've seen the newest packaging, so this is kind of cool. So of course you're going to get your aligners in some boxes with the patient's name on it, and with that you will get their kit. So before, a long time ago, you would pre-order their kits and stock them in your office, but I think people were just pocketing them. So it's smart, they're just sending one kit with each patient with the actual patient case. If you need more cases, you want some of their special cases, you may have seen some of the cases that I showed you from their store. You can get that separate from the store for an additional fee. And the patient-facing store has even more stuff. So I actually haven't even looked into this yet, so I'm kind of excited as to what. Oh, this is so cute. This is actually for my daughter, so she's kind of mad that I'm opening it before she gets to see it, but I figured she'd demolish it. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. This is very professional. So basically, it's just a box with just a black case. If you want a decorated case, you could get one of those. Okay, that's very cute. And I guess you're getting a sample of cleaning crystals, which you really don't need. Use instructions, which I'm sure you all know what to do. And whatever this is, more use instructions. Okay. Okay, well that wasn't that exciting. I was kind of thinking there'd be more stuff in here than that. I mean, like chewies, outies. Nope, nothing. Just, that's it. Everything else you gotta buy separate. So, good to know. The bag is cute though. It's a nice little dry bag if you've got a swimmer. Very cute. All right, that's it. Not that exciting. All right, thanks, bye.